Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hoover. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum, welcome to the channel y'all. So today we are starting my video for a change in the Hoover room. As you can see, this is where all the restored ones and the vintage ones are kept. Do a quick turnaround. There we go. See down here. So today's video is going to be concentrating on this, which is my Hoover Junior 1334. Now these are the first ones that came out in this style back in the 60s, I believe, early 60s. So these were the first ones. They came out, they had a matching set. They had the pink Hoover Junior, they had a pink Hoover Senior, and they also had a pink, if you look up there, I haven't got one, but I do have one, but not refurbed, Hoover Constellation as well. So this one was in a really bad state. If you look back and see my videos, it was really in need of some TLC. This is the first Hoover Junior that I completely stripped down to the bare bones, removed all the old paint, repainted it on the inside and the outside, stripped the motor down, everything. It's absolutely fantastic. It has a lovely original now pink cable on it. The only thing that was holding it back was the bag. It had a bag that matched pretty well with it. It's not too offensive, but it's not an original bag. So I kind of like thought, well, you know, sorry, I just turned you off then. Just looking at me turns you off. So we were looking at this, well, start again, shall I? So I needed a bag for this, and I thought, well, you know, if one comes up, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. But I was very lucky, and a donor machine came up. Apparently it's in working order, but it is very badly scratched up. It doesn't have its original bumper. I can't recall the cable, but it does have the original bag. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the bag off that one, cleaning it up, and put it on this one, so that this one is completely complete. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Anyway, so let's crack on with the journey. Okay, are we ready for a road trip? Let's get my old sunnies on. There we go, that's a bit better. Let's get the roof open, let in the light, and let's make our way down to Northampton. It's not quite Northampton. It takes about an hour and 15 minutes to get there. So I've got my iPad there. Now my car's a Tesla. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, I'll do that in a minute. I'll need to stop anyway. I'm just going to go to the shop first, and then start the journey properly from there. But I'm going to go live, so you guys will see me going live. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to read all your comments because I'm driving, obviously. But yeah, I got no hubby with me today, no doggies, just me, myself, and I. It's about an hour to get there, hour and 15 minutes to get there, and then an hour and 15 minutes to get back. But I'm really excited about this because it's the bag that I want the most, so I can finish off my 1334. That is the first machine that I had completely and utterly stripped down, resprayed, everything. That was the first one. So I'm excited about getting the bag for it. But apparently the machine still works. It doesn't have its original bumper, but that doesn't matter because I'm going to pimp it. I'm going to what do they call it? Not pimp it. Custom it. I'm going to make it custom. So that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, so anyway, so I am going to go to the shop, then I'm going to go live, and then I'll carry on this video when we get there and I've picked it up. So okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Pretty little village.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right and
exit. Okay, so we've picked it up. There it is. The lovely 1334. Handle bail on it is knackered, but it does have the original bag, which is what I was looking for. That's what I wanted, so that bag is absolutely amazing. The vacuum isn't that in that bad a condition, so I'm looking forward to doing a refurb on it, but it's got its little seat belt across it there, so to keep it in position, so I thought it'd be fun for you guys. So I have got myself a sandwich here, a lovely Co-op prawn mayo sandwich. So I'm going to eat that and then head off. So I'll see you now when we're home. So there you are, guys. We are finally home. It is 20 to 4. There she is, watching out, looking after the journey. So let's get this inside. Let's get in the garage and let's take a look. We are here in the garage to finish off today's video for you guys. And here I have the 1334 now sitting on my bench. The bag is in excellent condition. Absolutely excellent condition. I am so happy with it. There's a big ball of dirt here that's inside a bag, thankfully. But I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not going to show you anything else until I start doing the refurb video, which is going to be tomorrow that I'm going to start filming it. I'll bring the other 1334 down. We'll compare both of them, and we will take the bag off, wash it, clean it, and put it on the new one. And then I'll do another house cleaning demo video with it. The spring on this is also in excellent condition, although the other one I have the spring on it, I've resprayed. This one does need respraying. The cable is actually pink. It is just so dirty that it is not pink anymore. It looks brown. But I'm chuffed. I've finally got the bag. There's no tears, no marks, nothing on it at all. It is mint condition bag, and this will look fantastic on my refurbed 1334. This one is going to get dismantled, cleaned up, resprayed, and I'm going to do, like I said a couple of times before now, I'm going to do a respray on this one. I still have some other parts for the old one down here. So for example, this handle is a bit naff, possibly if it doesn't clean up, but I have a better handle, pink handle down there for it, so we'll take a little look. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed. I have enjoyed sharing my road trip with you, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.